downhill 1, the A1290 towards the Nissan Car Plant, then back from the Nissan Car Plant towards Hylton Castle. Approaching the interchange, we're going to cross the roundabout and take the second exit. Signposted A1290 Nissan Offices Industrial Estate. The signpost says A1290 either lane, given the choice, left is best. Slowing down for the corner, approaching the traffic lights. Making progress as the lights change. Left mirror, indicate after you get past the first exit. The lights are staying on green. Cancel indicator, and let's make progress up to the road speed and off down the Washington Road. The Nissan Car Plant is in front of us. Coming back from Washington, we're going to cross the roundabout, taking the third exit towards Hylton Castle. Approaching the junction, the sign clearly says to go to Hylton Castle, you need to be in the next lane across. Indicate, let's move into the middle lane. It's clearly marked for Hylton Castle. Spiral into the left-hand lane. And as we approach the next junction, check your mirrors and indicate right. We indicate right because we're not turning left to go to Bolden, and it allows traffic emerging at the junction to know that we're bearing right. Indicate left to exit the Washington Road towards Hylton Castle. And let's make progress.